Hey, I'm Brad Holtz from 92.3 WTTS, and I have something important I want to share today. I'm about to have a multi-unit hair grafting procedure from We Grow Hair Indy. Now, over the last 10 years, I've been dealing with some hair issues up here and on the sides. A lot of guys deal with this. But like a lot of guys, I was embarrassed to talk about it and didn't know how to tackle it. I tried some products over the counter, didn't like the results. But then I found WeGrowHairIndy.com. On the website, I looked at some of the before and after pictures of clients. I was really impressed. So I talked to Darren, the clinic's director. He had the same procedure and he looks great. So I was sold. Let's give this a try. I'm active. I'm a father of 3. I'm outside a lot in the summer. I want to look and feel good. And I'm kind of tired of wearing hats when I'm outside to protect what's up here, or I guess what's not up here. So we're going to get this taken care of. My procedure is less than 2 weeks away. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think we're gonna be okay. I'll catalog my journey with photos and videos at WeGrowHairIndy.com. Hope you can check it out.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.